Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Voice chat is a great way to connect with Roblox friends while playing. If you're unsure how to enable it, watch this video to learn how to communicate with your friends in real time. Let's go. Roblox has introduced spatial voice, allowing people to do voice chat in the game. Before you can use the voice chat feature, you need to verify your age and email first and be at least 13 years old. If you've met these requirements, then you can use the voice chat feature on your account. To enable it, go to Privacy Settings and turn on Use Microphone for Voice Chat under Microphone and Camera Input. A pop-up will appear, asking for your consent to record your voice for moderation and safety reasons. After you agree with everything, click the Enable button. The voice chat feature is now active on your account. You can confirm this by the green toggle or by trying it out in a game. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.